Oh my god, Lily is literally about to arrive. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. We've not seen each other since like November, I think. So, she's gonna be here soon. I've like tidied and cleaned the whole house, and then I've had to move the boxes that I was keeping in her room into my room. But yeah, it's gonna be so weird. Look who's here! We're gonna go exploring today. How's it look? Oh, we're out on our first little adventure, showing Lily round.
It's my tour guide.
But I'm wearing my Birkenstocks, my Docs, and my feet are like dying.
Oh my god, mine is so scratched.
We're gonna start a collection of photo booth strips with all our friends and visitors, and at big milestones. I feel like first job,
First big girl job.
first big girl job. Yeah. It's so sunny. So sunny. Enjoy your week of solitude.
I'll try not to get locked in this.
She literally just got herself locked in the porch this morning.
Yeah, I'm very paranoid about it.
Yeah. Okay. Be careful.
Yeah, have fun.
Thank you. Bye. Setting up the women's tent. It's looking pretty. I got here yesterday afternoon and just been settling in. We did a little walk around the site. And then today is the day all the kind of normal festival guests arrive. So we're trying to get everything ready for them, for the people that want to come and camp in the women's space area. So lots of things to do. Don't really know like what's going to happen, what it's going to be like, but hopefully it'll be good and the weather stays nice because it's been on and off, sunshine and rain. It's sunny right now. Out there. It's really nice weather. And yeah, it feels odd to kind of like suddenly be in a festival environment and have to like slow down, and especially kind of like this one's like a Buddhist festival, so everyone's quite on a spiritual level, and I feel like jumping out of the hecticness of like moving to Brighton and city life and organising bills and like so much kind of life admin of like thinking about applying for jobs and when I'm going to get my degree grades and like all of that, and then to come here in the field and like not be on my phone really and just having to like slow down and unwind is kind of difficult actually, and meet people at kind of like a slow level, like at a calm, rather than like in a state of anxiety or stress or just like, you know, a lot of people here are kind of like, I don't know, the energy is kind of quite slow, and so to kind of like get into that, it's just different. It's a different speed. So yeah, by the end of the week maybe I'll be very zen and peaceful, or maybe it will have all been quite stressful. It's a very, very, very rainy day here at Buddahfield, honestly. Listen to that rain. So, and look at my very messy tent. So yeah, just got ready. I'm about to, well, I need to get lunch. I think I've got my golden ticket for lunch, so I'm going to try and get pizza. But then I'm also meant to be in shift in like 10 minutes, so maybe I'll go to shift first and then see if I'm needed, and if not, I'll go and get my pizza. But, rain stopping, maybe it's a good time to go.
I'll remember to give Jacob
She's going in.
Yum, 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 golden tickets. Final day at Buddahfield. Oh. Is it actually nice?
You've got to come and eat some more.
Okay. Taking the last stuff to the car. Goodbye. Bye. Bye, women's space. Bye. Had some disappointing modelling news today. Very frustrating last minute cancellation. So having beers, toasties and donuts on the beach to distract myself.
Bitching about modelling jobs.
Yeah, just disappointment and missing out on all that money. Never mind. Never mind.
One day.
Maybe. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, pretty. Kind of smells of piss though, so I'm not feeling the most like relaxed. But yeah. Pretty
Speech on the Bernardo's.
Oh, the Bernardo's green. Here's my cinnamon donuts. Treated myself. They're kind of ridiculously expensive, I feel, but tourist prices.
Yummy toasty. Also, a bit overpriced.
How much?
$5.50
Yeah.
for a toasty.
Yeah,
It's
I
not
feel like
that
3
great.
something would be more
It's
reasonable.
alright. Sun-dried tomatoes.
Fancy. Evening seance to rid ourselves of the bad vibes of today.
Bad vibes today.
Bad
indeed,
vibes.
for both of us.
Absolutely. Life isn't fun right now.
Don't say that. Today wasn't.
The past few days, everything's cancelled on me.
Yeah.
Redirection is protection.
Redirection is protection. You weren't 100% about going.
It's true. I think the universe is just working in my favour, being like, you didn't want it, so I'll take it off the table. Yeah. See what the weekend has in store. She's ringing me. This will be fun. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, can you go on FaceTime? Or not? Lily's here
Can
too.
you see us?
I don't think I can FaceTime. I can. Oh, what's this? I'm trying to connect to this random Wi-Fi.
Oh, you're not on Wi-Fi because Lily just tried to send you a picture as well, and it apparently sent us a text.
Yeah, so.
I
Oopsie.
haven't even had that through.
Oh.
Strange.
Well,
My phone is weird.
we saw on your B-roll
I
that you
can
were on a lakeside, so we thought, why not annoy you with our presence?
You're never an annoyance.
Well.
Oh no, not my butt!
Lily just kicked her teacup over, and with her toes, and it's now spilled all over her books. But
My makeshift bedside table.
I can't. I see you.
I can see you.
Hello.
Can you see me? Can you see my camera?
I can.
And Lily is there.
Troll.
Hello. What's wrong with that?
We were we were having a bad moment, so we had a cup of tea, and then I was like, maybe I'm going to light a candle. And then Lily was like, me too. And then we ended up just sat on the floor with candles and tea. This is like library days. Watching the world go by.